Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Insiyah and in today's video we're going to be learning about 6-digit numbers. You will find this topic on page number 7, section 1.2.5 that is mentioned over here of the chapter Knowing Our Numbers. So let's begin. Now all of us have been learning numbers since we were small kids. We know that our numbers start from 0 and if we add 1 to 0, we'll get 1. And if we add 1 to 1, we will get 2. And if we keep on adding ones, we'll soon reach the number 9. And all of us have also learned about place values. So we know that these numbers from 0 to 9 are 1-digit numbers and they come in the ones place. And then if we add 1 to 9, we will get 10. Now 10 is a 2-digit number. And 10 is also the smallest 2-digit number, as we all know. So, and if we keep going on, so since numbers never stop, we can keep adding numbers to it and we can get bigger and bigger numbers. So if I keep going on and on, I will reach the number 99. Now we also know that 99 becomes the greatest 2-digit number. And when we add 1 to 99, we will get 100, which is the smallest 3-digit number. Now, all of these are place values. So we know about 5 place values till now. We know about our ones place. We know about the ones place. We know about the tens place, so that 2 digits. So 1 digit is ones place, 2 digits is tens place. Then you would have 3 digits, which is hundreds place, 4 digits, which is thousands place, and 5 digits, which is a 10,000s place. So these ones we know till now. But what happens when I add the number 1 to my biggest 5-digit number? My biggest 5-digit number is 99,999, right? Now I want to add 1 to this number over here. When I add 1 to this number, I will get my smallest 6-digit number. And this number is going to be 1 with 5 zeros after it. And the smallest 6-digit number is called 1 lakh. The 6th place value is called lakhs. Okay, so let's answer this question. How many tens make 1 lakh? So what did you understand by this? You know that when you add 10 2 times, when you do 10 plus 10, you get the number 20, right? So in this question, they're asking you, how many times would you have to add 10 to get the number 1 lakh? Now you know 1 lakh is 1 with 5 zeros after it. It's quite a big number, right? So it would think about how many times you would have to write 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 to reach this number. You would probably get very, very tired doing that. I know I wouldn't want to do that because it just seems kind of stupid. So let's use multiplication instead. So what happens when you get 10 into, what happens when you do 10 into 10? You get 100. Now if you notice, when I took my smallest 2-digit number, which is 10, you know that 10 is your smallest 2-digit number, and when you multiply it with 10, you get the smallest 3-digit number. Now you know that the smallest 3-digit number is 100. And what happens when I multiply the smallest 3-digit number with 10? I get my smallest 4-digit number, which you all know is 1000. In the same way, if I want to get the smallest 6-digit number, what number would I multiply with 10? So I would multiply the smallest 5-digit number by 10. So here, this is 10,000, which is our smallest 5-digit number. When you multiply it with 10, you get the number 1 lakh, which is your smallest 6-digit number. So the answer to this question becomes, if someone asks you, how many tens make 1 lakh? Your answer will be 10,000 tens make 1 lakh. So basically, when you add the number 10, 10,000 times, you will get your smallest 6-digit number, that is 1 lakh. Next question. What is the number name of this number? So as you can see, this is a 5, it's a lakh number, right? There's 6 place values. So this number, it has 5 in the lakhs place. So let's see, there's 5. I'm just going to use a short form over here. Okay, so there's L for lakh, 5 lakhs plus 89,000. 89,000. 9, and 1000, right? I'm going to write TH over here. And then after that, there is 300. So 300. And then there is 0 in the tens place. I'm just going to do 0, 10. You already know that 0 into 10 is 0, right? Just write that as a note over here. 0 into 10 is equal to 0. So any number multiplied by 0 will always give you a 0. And then in the ones place, you have 2. That's 2 into 1, or just 2 by itself. Okay, so how would you read this number? Just how you've written it, we're going to read it in the same way. Okay, so there's 5,89,300, and you ignore this part because it's 0, so 302. So let's see if we got it right. See, if you look at it, it's the exact same way that you write it. So you do 5,89,302. Okay, now that you know this, let us try these questions over here. Now this example is from your textbook, so if you look into your books on page number 7 that I mentioned, you will find this question over there. So now what is this asking us? It wants us to read all of these numbers and write the number name and expand it. So an expansion, as you can see, is just writing 3 into lakh. So this number is 3 lakh. So they've done 3 into 1 lakh because 3 into 1 lakh is 3 lakh. The same way they've done all these other numbers as well. So let's try this one. This, you know, is 4 lakhs. There's 4 in the lakhs place. There's 5 in the 10,000s place, 7 in the thousands place, and then 9 hundreds, 20, and then 8. So it would be 4 into 1 lakh, 5 into 10,000, 7 into 1,000, 9 into 100, 2 into 10, plus 8. Okay, the same way, this has 4 in the lakhs place, 0 in the 10,000s place, 7 in the thousands place, 9 in the hundreds place, 20 and 8, just like this one. And then this one also has 4 in the lakhs place, but the difference is both the 10,000s and the thousands place are 0 over here. So when you multiply 0 into 10,000 or 0 into 1,000, you will get 0. And then instead of 928, there's 829. So it's 8 into 100, 2 into 10, and 9. And over here, there is 4 lakhs, but there is 0 in the 10,000s, 0 in the thousands, and 0 in the hundreds place. So you're left with only the tens and the ones place, which have 2 and 9 in it. So when you're writing the answer to these questions, the number name for the first one, just as how you expanded it, it would be 4,57,928. And when you're expanding, you would do 4 into 1 lakh, plus 5 into 10,000, plus 7 into 1,000, plus 9 into 100, plus 2 into 10, plus 8. And then next one would be 4,07,000. Because there was 0 in the 10,000s place, you will ignore that place and just write 4,07,928. So the same expansion that we did over here, but if you've noticed, we have not written this term. There's no 10,000 in this expansion. There's only 1 lakh and then there's 1,000. Okay. The next one was 4,829. Now in this expansion, we haven't written 1,000 and we haven't written 10,000 because both of those were 0, right? And in the last one, 4,29,000, we did not have 100, we did not have 1,000, and we did not have 10,000. So our expansion was simply 4 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10 plus 9. So with that, we come to an end of this video. If you have any trouble in writing number names and expansions, I recommend that you practice at least 1 or 2 numbers every day. And in a few days, you will know how to write 6-digit numbers very well. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below and I will get back to you on that. Thank you so much.